You know what's the worst? Summer days, when you're all set for an epic water fight, but your water gun gives up halfway through the action. Super frustrating, right? I used to deal with that all the time. Either I'd run out of water way too fast, or the range was so weak it didn't even reach the target. Then I found this, the 2024 upgraded electric water gun. This thing's a beast. It can shoot up to 32 feet. And with its auto water absorption, I'm back in the game in just 18 seconds. No more getting stuck refilling forever. I've been using it all summer, and trust me, it's been a total game changer. No more low pressure shots or stopping mid-fight. And the best part, it's fully waterproof, so I can take it anywhere without worrying. If you're tired of weak water guns like I was, check out the link in my bio for all the details. You'll thank me later.